Welcome back to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Today we did this really cool mask effect. So, obviously we're going to start off with a blank face, and I'm just going to go through and start off with an eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to map out where I want my little flesh mask thing to go. Now that we have that mapped out, I'm going to go in with a glowier foundation on the normal side of my face, and then for the mask portion that I mapped out, I'm going to go in with a matte foundation from Juvia's Place that is very, very full coverage. This is just going to help to distinguish the two different sides. I'm using the same concealer for under my eyes, both of them, and to conceal any other blemishes I might have. But if you wanted to, you could go in with a lighter, brighter foundation on the mask part of your face. After I set my face, I'm going to go in with a bronzier, more glowy color tone thing on the normal side of my face, and I'm just going to bronze as I normally would. For the mask side, there's not a lot to contour within that little square we drew, but I am going to go in with a more cool tone contouring shade and hollow out my cheekbone, or at least what's in the mask. While I have that out, I'm going to take that cooler contour shade and just apply that to my entire lid and up into my crease for the normal side of my eye. I'm then taking a more toned down everyday highlighter and highlighting that side of my face. For the mask part, I'm going in with a brighter, way more shimmery, glowy highlighter, and I'm way highlighting my cheekbone, my eyebrow bone, and right above my eyebrow, and a little bit on my nose. Now I'm just going to add my eyebrows as I normally would, except for the mask side. I put a little more of a length on it and arched it just a little bit more. To start off our glam eye, I'm going in with this really pretty cool tone brown gray shade, and I'm just going to work this into my crease and outer corner. I'm also going to fluff this onto my lower lash line. You can create whatever kind of glam smoky eye you would like to for this, but I just threw something on really fast. Now I'm going to take a shimmery cool tone shade and apply that to my lid and blend it all out, and then deepen my crease and outer corner a little bit more. I'm applying a winged eyeliner to my glam side and one false lash, nothing too extravagant there. I also tightlined a little bit. Now with that same liquid eyeliner, I'm going to go back over that little trace sketch that we made and just create my mask edge. While that was drying, I went ahead and applied a glossy nude to the normal side of my face, and for the little itty bitty bit of my lip that is within that mask, I just added a liquid lipstick that was a rosy shade. For the shading for this, you just want to imagine you have a light source coming from one side and shade what is not being hit by the light. In my head, I was holding a light in front of this and it was lifted off of my face. So that's where I went with that. I started with a dark brown shade, and then I went in with a lighter, more orange shade and blended that out a little bit to create more depth. that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is super easy to do if you understand shading, which clearly I still need to work on. But I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye!